everyone, I'm gonna share with you the very easy gift bag that you can make for the holiday. So the pot lick I have here is 12 inches pot lick. You can make whatever size you want, but I'm sharing with you how to make the triangle. Okay, so I'm gonna draw the circle by tracing this. I didn't draw it, I traced this. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I'm gonna cut this out so I can have the circle. Or you can do the same way that I show you. Fold the paper and then go on around, but everybody have pot lick, right? Unless you don't eat. Or you can make it for yourself. Okay, so I'm gonna fold it in half. And I'm gonna fold it in half again by folding this line together like this. So then I have everything even. And then I'm going to fold a half in half. There you go. So here I'm going to mark from this half here to the center down here. That 11. 11. 11. Okay. I want to save the circle. I don't want to cut this just to get the triangle, so I'm going to fold it in. Okay, but if you want to cut it, go and cut it. But I want to keep the circle in the future video. If I want, I'm going to write down for myself. This is 12 inches pot lick and the circle is 12 inches, okay? For you, if you want to make this for yourself, you don't want to save it, go and cut it out as a triangle. Now you need two fabric, okay? You need the outside and the inside, and that's it. You're going to cut the main fabric and the interfacing. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna get the interfacing and I'm going to trace exactly the same side of this. For everyone, after I cut the triangle from the interfacing, I'm going to place in here the Olaf. This is what I'm using, and you can use anything you want. Okay, I want to make sure a 1/4 of an inch that I going to cut around this. That's my seam allowance. So let's just iron this. I use number 809 interfacing. So after I iron the interfacing in the back side of the main fabric, I place the right side of the lining fabric on top. The lining fabric, I use 100% cotton fabric. I call lining, but I do the same thing. So place the right side to the right side. And you're going to cut exactly the same. The reason why I do this, because when I'm done cutting, I just go and sew. That you're gonna fold it in half. Okay, fold it in half exactly the same way I show you how to make the strap for the wallet or bag. Okay, for all the way, and then the other half in here go to half, and then half to go to half this way. Or you can use ribbon if you want, but I like the fabric better. And then you go into sew all the way the top and the bottom exactly the same way we do the wallet strap. Okay, one after I sew on this string together, 3 inches. Okay, I'm gonna cut three of this from the string. Again, you can use ribbon if you don't want to go crazy like me. Okay, okay, then I'm going to bring this back. I'm gonna fold it in half this way, and I'm going to place right in the center of this, just like so. Put it back together and right in the center. Okay, going up to the pointy, up to here, and I'm going to clip it down so it can stay down there. And then on this side you're going to do exactly the same. Fold it in half, go into here, place right there at the center like that, put it down, clip in this so that stay there. I'm gonna go and make sure I'm gonna do another pin. Okay, on this side there are 3 corners for 3 of these, facing the loop down, the 2 is up, right in the center like so. Putting this down, clipping. Okay, so now I'm gonna make sure I do another pin down to the center here, so it can stay there when I sew. Okay, so we're going to sew this all around, but in one area we're gonna leave it open. Doesn't matter where. I'm gonna leave about 2 inches from the pointy here where we add the loop of the fabric right there. You're gonna go in, go from here, go up here, go to here, all the way to the pointy, back and forth, and then go to the side, go sew back and forth, going down to here, do the same thing, basket and basket, go and basket, and then come back here, go into here, basket, go all the way down to here. Make sure you do basket and then move next to the next one, and then go out to here. Leave this open so we can inside out. 2 inches is good enough. I sew around and I left it there open. Here, open. Okay, so I'm gonna go and trim. Okay, you go around and make sure you press all the side out. And when you're done, you go on to iron this, okay? So go iron the whole thing. I'm going to fold 3 sides together. So the side to sew, okay? I'm gonna make sure that the corner meet the corner, and I'm going to mark so 2.5 inches right there. That's where we're going to sew, okay? That one side, you're gonna sew that, and then on this side together, make sure that the string together like that, and then the pointy meet like that. Okay, 2.5 inches. That where we going to sew, so very close to here. We don't want to take too much of the fabric out, okay? And then this one, 2.5. Sew this together, okay? So there are 3 corners like this. You're gonna sew from here all the way down, very close to here. You can do less than 1/8 of an inch, very close to here. And on this side, close to here. Remember the opening space is right here, okay? The one that we left it for inside out is right here. So we're gonna sew it, and then here, sew it together, okay? Everyone, after I sew on this side, and this side, we're gonna inside out this. It's very cute. You can put gift in here. And make sure you get all that corners pushed. See how cute this is? My goodness, this is so cute. So you can put your gift inside if you want to put the candy. You can do that. How cute that is. And let's just put something in there. And I get the string. I don't know. Okay, here. Yeah, the string I can go around to here. Put it all around. This is good for the kid to give it to the teacher or whatever, okay? This end right here, you can tie it. So let me just go get some candy or something to put in here, or you can put the jewelry in here, some candy if you want to. Up to you. Let me get my jewelry box. Okay, jewelry box, I can put it right inside. Or you can put some chocolate in here if you want to, and when you give it out, you can just do like this. Close, okay? You can tie it together if you want, or you can just leave it the way it is, like that. Like this. How cute. Ain't it beautiful? Look how pretty it is, and easy to make too. Okay, so if you want, you can put the candy in. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. Want to make this at the box, the gift box or something like that. You can just, instead of keeping this out here, I'm just telling you, if you want to make it at the box, make it a bigger size. Don't need to add the string or the loop here. You're gonna fold it down, and then you sew it around this. That's so you can have a basket like that. Okay, if you want to do this way. It's all up to you, whatever you want to do. Okay, stay safe everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also thank you for the people who always come to my channel, donate to my channel, and join my channel membership. Make sure you turn the bell notification on so every time I upload the video you get notified so you don't miss my video everyone. Stay safe, love you, take care everyone.